Welcome to the video by Stan's Auto Repair and Dodge Neon Racing. Today's video is on removing the ignition switch. In order to do that, you actually need the key. Other than that, you pretty much will be destroying the ignition. But you need to remove these plastic covers. There's two Phillips head screws located underneath the steering wheel that you need to remove, and then you can remove the top and bottom. Once you do that, get your key, stick it in the ignition, and turn it into the run position. Take a Phillips head flathead screwdriver, and underneath, just like a little button right here, you'll push the button up and the ignition will pop out, and you can pull out your ignition and replace it with your new ignition. And make sure you have the key for that ignition. But this little button push here, when you go to replace it, make sure that lines up with the bottom. Get my hand out of the way so you can see. And you'll slide it in, it will click, and then you're done. The ignition's placed, and then you can put on the steering wheel column covers. Thank you very much for watching, and you'll have a great day.